Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a revolutionary tool that can transform your approach to earning passive income online. If you've ever dreamed of making money with Amazon affiliate marketing but didn't know where to start, then stay tuned because I'm about to introduce Elixir. Imagine creating an SEO-optimized Amazon affiliate site with unique AI-generated content in just seconds. With Elixir, that dream becomes a reality. Why choose Elixir? Check out these amazing benefits. Simplicity and speed. Build your Amazon affiliate site in just 60 seconds using our AI-driven setup wizard. No technical skills required. Premium AI-generated content. Leveraging 99 top AIs like DeepSeek, Sora AI, and ChatGPT, Elixir creates unique content, high-definition videos, and automatically integrates your affiliate links. Included hosting. Enjoy cloud hosting with cPanel access, DDoS protection, 24/7 backups, and anti-hack security. One payment unlocks lifetime use on unlimited domains. Build-in traffic. Elixir optimizes your site for SEO, builds backlinks, and drives traffic from social media and video platforms. Legal compliance. Fully compliant with GDPR and ADA standards. Premium designs. Benefit from stunning, conversion-optimized website designs. Wondering how it works? It's simple. Choose your niche. Select a market niche that suits your passion, or use our built-in profitable niche research module. Add your Amazon affiliate ID. Simply input your affiliate ID. Click Go. Sit back and let Elixir's AI create your affiliate site, complete with engaging content, organic traffic, and commission-generating potential. Elixir brings you a host of benefits. Full automation. From creation to management, every step is automated. Fresh, unique content. Your site gets daily updates with original content. Organic traffic. Improve your search engine rankings and attract targeted visitors. Passive income. Earn commissions on every sale generated through your site. Access to 99 premium AIs. Use the best AIs to create content, videos, images, and more. Lifetime hosting. Say goodbye to monthly hosting fees with our lifetime hosting offer. Join thousands of happy customers who are already leveraging Elixir to build profitable Amazon affiliate sites. They love its ease of use, complete automation, and impressive results. And now, for a limited time only, you can get Elixir at a special one-time discount for early adopters. The first 600 customers will also receive exclusive bonuses, including a premium design template pack and access to our profitable niche research module. Don't miss out. To make your decision even easier, Elixir comes with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. So, are you ready to join the Amazon affiliate revolution? Click the link in the description below, try Elixir today, and start generating passive income with ease. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on online income. See you in the next video.